Today we got the motor out of Bailey's truck. I know that's kind of out of nowhere. I didn't tell you guys we were going to do that, but we're just tired of it leaking all over the place. It's just easier. I mean, you can pull one out in 3-4 hours. Just pull it out and we'll just throw all new seals in it. We're not going to rebuild the motor or anything crazy like that. We're just going to put new seals in it, see if we can get all these leaks stopped, pressure wash the engine bay a little bit, clean it up. Seems like we're doing a lot of work, but pulling a motor in these isn't that bad. We did rearrange the shop a little bit. Got the toolboxes over here now. We got Bailey's engine on a stand. We were able to leave most of the compound setup on it whenever we went to pull it out, so that was nice. Left everything on over here. I had an engine, a Cummins, on this engine stand for quite some time, but I've never had one this dressed on it, so we are going to weld some braces on it really quick and kind of brace it up a little bit. I mean, it's solid. It's rated for like 1300, but it does, you know, it's just a little sketchy, and there's no reason to take chances on stuff like that, so we are going to brace it a little bit more just to be safe. Over here on Mason's truck, we got his bed on, we got his fuel cell. We are starting to get this stuff mounted. Mason, hop up here and show him where you're going to put your ear dog. Hop it like a little skippy. We're going to take this ear dog. Yeah, you just take the pump, show him. Mount that guy right there. We're going to just bolt it directly to the bedside, inside the bed. And the fuel cell, we had to cut a hole out for the fuel cell has like a bottom sump kind of built into it, so for it to clear, we did have to cut the hole. We had to cut a hole in the floor. We were going to build a frame to frame it up, but it's not that I'm doubting this fuel tank, but I think if we were to suspend it on those tabs, that it would eventually crack the welds on it, so we're not going to take a chance. We just sacrificed a little bed space. Currently almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We've been up at it all night trying to get stuff done in the garage. I do apologize for the video kind of being all over the place, but it's just kind of how it is with the time we were given. Trying to get some stuff done, so I put most of the stuff in a time lapse. I also am, at the end of this video, I'm going to throw in some clips driving the Ford. I know I didn't get you guys a lot of video of the anteater footage, you know, how it shifts and everything, so I'm going to throw in like 3 or 4 clips so you guys can see how it drives. I was very impressed with it. If you guys liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, help us grow this channel a little bit more. Do appreciate it. Trying to record and drive at the same time on the old iPhone, so we'll see how this goes for you guys, but I love the way this thing shifts. It is awesome. Here we go. Second. Third. Overdrive or lock up. Fine tuning here and there, but overall I love it on this back road in Mexico. Notice I need to turn, the overdrive is a little higher up than it needs to be, but whenever you're on the floor it shifts up high like it should be, so I don't really know how I'm going to adjust that. I'll have to ask around a little bit, but I'm on tune 1. I can't get on it right here. I'll get on it here in a second. I'll put it like 75%. Maybe, I don't know. It's really sketchy right now, guys. The roads are slick. It's cold. I don't have anyone to come get me if I break this, so I'm just trying to be cautious. But I'll pull up to a stop right here. This is a nice little dry patch I got, and I will try to let you guys watch the speedo. Maybe. Okay, here we go. We'll just do like 75 throttle from a dead stop. That was only lock up. It didn't get into overdrive because I ran out